Hello and welcome to FIELDBOSS. Today, we will discuss quoting on the FIELDBOSS platform. Quotes in FIELDBOSS represent priced summaries of work to be undertaken, typically sent to clients before any work is actually performed. To access this function, click the Quotes button in the left menu pane. If you click into a quote, you can see the information associated with it, such as the account and building location, the amount, as well as a breakdown of the products and services offered. You can also easily convert the data into the system into a client-facing document by clicking the Create PDF button in the top menu pane. When your quote document is ready, you will get the option to either save it into your SharePoint folder or download it as a PDF. This is what a quote exported from the FIELDBOSS system looks like. It has information such as the description of work, a breakdown of products and services, as well as the total amount due from the client. You can also email this invoice directly to the client by clicking the Email as PDF button in the top menu pane here. This will open up FIELDBOSS's email client, which is integrated with Outlook and your organization's email settings. Certain fields will autofill, such as the To field. This will automatically fill in as the contact point for the account which the quote is assigned to. You can type your main message here, change the subject to something that is more client-friendly, as well as attach new files by clicking the Attach File button in the top menu pane. If you return to the Quotes view, you can also use our pre-built charts to look for summary level insights. You can access these charts by clicking the Show Chart button in the top left menu pane. And you can switch the chart you are looking at by clicking the downward facing arrow to the right of the Number of Quotes by Customer button. Some pre-built charts include number of quotes by customer, quoted amount by month, as well as quoted amount by division. Finally, once a customer agrees to the work outlined on a given quote, you can create a work order from the quote entity simply by clicking into the quote, scrolling over to the Work Orders tab, and then clicking the New Work Order button. Note that all the important information from the quote was automatically transferred over into the work order. You should now feel comfortable using quoting functions in FIELDBOSS. To learn more about the platform, reach out to your FIELDBOSS consultant or check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.